Country Lane Gazebos presents our Grand Estate Vinyl Pavilion. Our Grand Estate Pavilions are a popular option if you're looking for a high-end pavilion with free spans up to 24 feet wide without a center post. Standard 4-post sizes range from 12 by 18 to 24 by 24. The Grand Estate Pavilion has the elegance and grandeur to make any backyard extraordinary. Shown here is a 20 by 24 Grand Estate Pavilion, featured in almond-colored vinyl. Our Grand Estate Vinyl Pavilions come in white vinyl as standard, or you can upgrade to almond or clay-colored vinyl to complement your outdoor aesthetic. Our Grand Estate Pavilions are also available in pressure-treated pine wood with the option to paint or stain. Made from pressure-treated southern yellow pine covered with vinyl, our Grand Estate Vinyl Pavilions come with 8x8 post sleeves with 7.5 by 7.5 laminated wood post cores and decorative post skirts to cover the powder-coated anchor brackets. As with all our pavilions, our Grand Estate Pavilions are made to anchor to a concrete slab or concrete footers at the post locations. The massive 2x10 curved braces and 5x12 glulam headers are engineered to 140 mile-per-hour winds and 45 pounds per square foot snow loads. Our Grand Estate Pavilions are made with a hip-style roof with a 7/12 pitch. Walk inside to see a beautiful ceiling that comes with exposed rafters and 1x6 TNG ceiling boards stained mahogany as standard. We offer a variety of other stain colors to complement your unique style. Our Grand Estate Pavilions come with 30-year architectural asphalt shingles as standard, or you may upgrade to 5V or standing seam metal roofing. Shown here is a black standing seam metal roof. This pavilion has an optional high-end Grand Estate cupola made with a copper metal roof and glass windows. Also featured is an optional electrical package with a switch, duplex receptacle box, and wiring for a light. This pavilion has been built with higher posts to increase the open feel and to give a greater walk-in height. All our pavilions come with the option to increase post height up to 4 feet. Contact us today to discuss creating a space of grandeur by adding a Grand Estate Pavilion to your outdoor space.